My name is 𝗏𝗵𝗵𝗵𝗵𝗵.
My name is Shashank.
We both are from 𝐴𝐴 College of Engineering, and this was a very awesome research paper organization that you have done. This is very well built. You guys are very polite, and this was very well executed.
Okay, so how is your experience exactly? Like presenting a paper in an international conference, like how do you feel?
I feel very privileged to be here.
It gave us a very good chance to do our research on some topic, and it also make us found that we can do something this much good in our lives.
Okay, so is this the first presentation in a
Yeah.
conference? Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Yes. So, how is the conference, ma'am? Any feedback about our conference? With your introduction.
Well, what I can say is that some of the papers were really good, eye-opening, and have good empirical evidence, which can take us far in terms of our drive towards global transformation, particularly in sustainable energy renewal, and also in areas that are pertaining to technology being used to transform our communities, our societies at large.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.